Hey, welcome back to Moomba. In this video, I want to show you how to send email from the AWS console with a Lambda function, serverless function. So the steps are to create a role, give that role permissions through a policy, create the Lambda function, assign that role to the function, create a test for the function, and then trigger the Lambda function using the test. So let's start with the first step, which is to create the role. In Identity Access and Management, on the left side, select Roles. Click Create Role. On the Trusted Entity Type page, we want to under the use case, we want to select Lambda from the service and make sure the use case shows Lambda selected. Click Next. Add permissions. We want to search for SES, so type that in the search box. Select the check box next to Amazon SES Full Access. Click Next. Role details. Enter a name for the role. Scroll down to step 2, add permissions. Make sure Amazon SES Full Access is there. Click Create Role. Okay, so the next step is to create the Lambda function. On the Functions page, click Create Function. Enter a function name. Select Python as the runtime, and if there's more than one version, select the latest one. Scroll down. Turn the triangle to change the default execution role. We want to use an existing role because we've already created that in a previous step. Under existing roles, select Lambda Full SES Access from the drop-down. Click Create Function. Okay, here it's telling us that we've successfully created the function. The next thing we need to do is to write the code for the function and deploy it. So enter the text that you see in the box, something similar. One thing you're probably going to want to change is where it says source and it shows my business email address, sanjap.microgreens@gmail.com. You probably want to change that to your own email address, and under that where it says destination, 2 addresses, same thing. Replace that with your email address that you want to use the test. Click Deploy. Okay, it tells us that the function was successfully deployed. The next step is to create the test that's going to trigger the function. Click Test. On this page, we want to enter an event name. Click Save. Okay, here it's telling us that the event name was successfully saved. The next thing we want to do is to trigger the Lambda function. So click Test. A new tab should open with the execution results, and you should see this response. In the rectangle that's highlighted on the 4th line down where it says HTTPS status code, 200 means OK. Also in the kind of top left, move my mouse up here, you can see the status says succeeded. Down here, it shows the duration in milliseconds, build duration, memory size, and initial duration. Okay, and here's the email I received in my Gmail account. It was in my spam folder, so you might need to go there to look for it. And if you notice near the top, it says via Amazon SES.com, so that confirms that it was sent through their platform. Okay, that's all I want to show you in this video. If you found value, click like and subscribe. Thanks.